Hello, and a warm welcome to all of you tuning into the Secrets to Growing Rich page. Today we're delving into the potent law of assumption and its role in instant manifestation. Imagine, with the right mindset, you can manifest your desires into reality, almost instantly. We'll be revealing 10 specific examples, counting down from 10 to 1, each shedding light on how this powerful law can turn your life around. So, are you ready to explore these secrets to wealth? Let's dive deep. Starting with our 10th secret, it's all about the power of visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool in the law of assumption. It's not just about daydreaming or wishful thinking, but actively imagining your desires as a reality. Picture yourself living the life you want, right down to the smallest detail. What does it smell like? What do you hear? How do you feel? Take, for instance, a woman who dreamt of owning a successful bakery. She visualized every detail, from the smell of fresh pastries wafting through the air, the sound of the cash register, to the feel of flour on her hands. She held this image in her mind with unwavering belief, and soon enough, her dream materialized. Her bakery became a reality, bringing her wealth and fulfillment. This is the power of visualization. It's more than just seeing, it's about creating your reality. Remember, what you visualize, you materialize. Moving on to secret number 9, the power of positive affirmations. Let's dive into the profound impact of positive affirmations on our lives. Picture it as a seed planted in the fertile soil of your mind. These affirmations, when nurtured with belief and repeated consistently, sprout into powerful realities. Take the affirmation, "I am a magnet for wealth and abundance." Simple words, aren't they? But when repeated with conviction, they can shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. They can alter your perception, making you more receptive to opportunities for wealth creation. Let's not underestimate the potency of these affirmations. They are not just words. They are declarations of truth that you are bringing into your reality. They are the architects of your thoughts, shaping your subconscious mind, and ultimately, your life. Remember, every word you utter is a commitment to yourself. Your words have power. Use them wisely. Our 8th secret is the power of gratitude. An often underestimated force, gratitude possesses the power to transform our lives. Feeling grateful for what we have can attract more things to be grateful for, including wealth. Let's consider a real-life example. Meet John. John was a middle-class worker, always struggling to make ends meet. But one day, he decided to change his perspective. Instead of focusing on what he didn't have, he started to appreciate what he had. He felt grateful for his job, his family, his health. He started expressing this gratitude daily. Gradually, he noticed a shift. Opportunities began to knock on his door. He was offered a promotion. His investments started to yield. His financial situation improved drastically. What changed? His attitude, his gratitude. When we express gratitude, we send out positive vibrations to the universe, attracting abundance in return. And this, my friends, is the magic of gratitude. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. The 7th secret is about giving to receive. It's a universal principle that reverberates through time and space. When you give, you create a space to receive. It's like a boomerang. What you send out into the world comes back to you, often multiplied. Let's consider an example. Imagine you're a business owner. You decide to donate a portion of your profits to a local charity. You're giving away money, yes, but you're also creating a positive image for your business. People start to recognize your brand as one that cares, one that gives back. They're more likely to support you, to buy your products or services. Your act of giving, in turn, brings you more customers, more profits. It's a beautiful cycle, isn't it? And it doesn't just apply to money, it applies to kindness, to love, to help. The more you give, the more you receive. Coming to the 6th secret, it's about embracing change. Change, whether we like it or not, is a fundamental part of life. It's the turning of the seasons, the rising and setting of the sun, the ebb and flow of the tides. It's inevitable and inescapable. But here's the thing. Change isn't something to be feared. It's something to be embraced. Consider this example. A woman, after working in the same office for over 2 decades, suddenly loses her job. It's a shocking change, and initially she's terrified. But rather than wallow in fear and uncertainty, she embraces the change. She uses this sudden shift as a springboard to start her own business, something she'd always dreamed of doing. And guess what? She flourishes. She thrives. She finds wealth and success beyond what she'd ever experienced in her old job. Change is the only constant. And when we embrace it, it can lead us to opportunities we never even imagined. Halfway through, our fifth secret is patience. Now, you may wonder, why is patience so significant in the law of assumption? The answer is simple. Manifestation is not an instant process. It's like planting a seed in a garden. You can't just sow the seed and expect a full-grown tree the next morning, right? You need to water it, nurture it, and give it time to grow. Similarly, your dreams, your goals, they are like seeds. You plant them in your mind, water them with positive thoughts, nurture them with belief, and then you wait. You wait with patience, and you maintain a positive attitude during this waiting period. You don't rush the process or get frustrated if things don't seem to be moving. Instead, you trust in the timing of your life and continue to nurture your dreams. Patience is not just about waiting, it's about maintaining a good attitude while waiting. On to number 4, it's all about self-belief. Here's a secret. The most successful people aren't necessarily the smartest, the most talented, or even the most hardworking. They're the ones who believe in themselves relentlessly. Self-belief is the cornerstone of success and wealth. It's the unwavering faith in your abilities and worth. It's knowing that you are capable and deserving of achieving your dreams. Let's take the example of Oprah Winfrey. She was born in poverty, faced countless adversities, but she never let go of her self-belief. She believed in her ability to change her life and impact others. Today, she stands as one of the most influential women in the world. Self-belief is not about arrogance or overconfidence. It's about acknowledging your strengths, embracing your weaknesses, and understanding that both are part of your journey to success. It's about trusting your journey, even when the path isn't clear. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Our third secret is about taking action. We can visualize, affirm, and believe all we want, but without action, the dream remains just that, a dream. Like a seed that needs to be planted to grow, your dreams need the nurturing of action to come to fruition. Let's imagine a painter. This artist can visualize the most stunning masterpiece, believe in their ability to create it, and affirm their success. But unless they pick up their brush and start painting, that masterpiece remains locked away in their mind. Action is the bridge that connects the realm of thoughts and the reality of existence. It is the vehicle that carries your dreams from the ethereal plane of imagination into the tangible world around us. So remember, every day, take one step, however small, towards your dreams. As the saying goes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Action is the foundational key to all success. Scene script. Almost there, our second secret is persistence. Let's delve into this idea. Imagine a river, tirelessly flowing over rocks, around bends, never ceasing, never giving up. Over time, this water can carve canyons and move mountains. This is the power of persistence. It's not about intense, short-lived efforts, but rather about consistent, relentless pursuit. In the realm of wealth creation, persistence can be your strongest ally. Let's think about Thomas Edison, the man who gave us the light bulb. Edison didn't find success on his first attempt, or his 10th, or even his 100th. No, it took him a staggering 1,000 tries to finally create a working light bulb. But he never gave up. He remained persistent, and ultimately, his persistence paid off in a big way. So how can we harness the power of persistence? It's about setting your sights on a goal and not stopping until you've reached it. It's about understanding that failure is not a dead end, but a stepping stone towards success. It's about knowing that every no brings you one step closer to a yes. Persistence guarantees that results are inevitable. Finally, our number one secret is self-love. The journey to wealth and prosperity begins with a single step, and that step is self-love. It's about embracing who you are, acknowledging your worth, and refusing to settle for less than you deserve. Imagine a woman named Lucy, who was always hardworking and dedicated, yet she was constantly underpaid and overlooked at her job. Lucy realized she was undervaluing herself, accepting less than what she was worth. She decided to change this by first loving and respecting herself. She set higher standards for herself and refused to settle for less. Soon enough, her employer noticed this change, her confidence, her self-assuredness, and began to value her more. Lucy's salary increased, and she was given the respect she deserved. In this way, self-love was the catalyst for Lucy's financial prosperity. It's the same for us all. When we truly love and value ourselves, we attract wealth and prosperity into our lives. Love yourself first, and everything else falls into line. So there you have it. 10 secrets to growing rich using the law of assumption. We've journeyed through the power of visualization, affirmed positivity, embraced gratitude and giving, welcomed change, practiced patience, believed in ourselves, taken action, persisted in our endeavors, and most importantly, loved ourselves. Each of these steps holds a unique key to unlocking your wealth. Remember, the key to wealth lies within you. Unlock it with these secrets and watch your life change.